we are waking up at a place we've never stayed before, which is Burger King, of all places. We are in Kayenta, Arizona. So yeah, we kind of pit stopped here after making our way through Moab and Monument Valley yesterday, heading back down southwest for a lot, actually. Lots going on. So I wanted to show you a little bit of a full day in the van. I always love doing these videos because it actually shows what an actual day, typical day could look like. I have quite a long list of things I need to be doing. But as per usual, it always starts out the same, usually with I'm ready. Made it to Flagstaff at our first very necessary stop. Our general. Just finished up running around Flagstaff. Boom, boom, boom. Just had 3 quick stops. In case you're wondering what we stopped for, Sam needed a new leash. I need new sunglasses. Some joggers I'm trying out. I haven't had sweatpants in a long time, so I'm excited to try these on. Thank you, Amazon. And some health supplements for Sam that I've been giving him for a while now, but we were out. Now we're good for like 2.5 months. And that, you see how these look? Ooh, they feel nice. Nice polarized. Just gonna heat up some leftovers, taco meat, and veggies. Can't go wrong. And then we're gonna get down to the road to our, hopefully, campsite, which is a little ways down, or an hour south of here, but that way we're out of the cold, mountainous area. Here we are. We made it to our camp for the night. I was actually at this campsite last year before I went to the Grand Canyon. I think this is home for now. I have some work I really have to get done. Tax day is like in a few days. I gotta get into it right now. Here we go. I almost missed sunset. I have been like really zoned into finishing up my taxes. I was doing like the mileage portion and it just absolutely took the wind out of my sails. Time went away. I had to do some digging because I did not stay on top of it this year, and I really forgot how much I traveled for work and not for work. But that was the hard part, was going back and figuring out the trips that I made, cross-country trips that I made for work, when they happened, and how much. It was just a lot. And having to find the total mileage last year by dumb luck. And I'm about to send that off to my accountant to wrap it all up. And I'm sure it'll be a lot better if I just stay on top of it and am organized and keep track. We're not gonna worry about that anymore. It's Friday night. Sammy wants some food probably pretty soon. Yeah, I think we're due. We due for some food? I'm gonna go feed him, have myself a sundowner, and enjoy this last little light here. And then I want to get some more work done, but something that I truly enjoy to work on. My brain is fried, but anyway, here we are, camp, and we still have the place to ourselves. I will show you a little more of what our evening looks like in the van once the sun is truly down and it's dark out here. This is the reality right now. Papers and tax stuff still going on in here. Feels late. It's been a long day, but I'm finally eating dinner. We're making just some eggs, some egg tacos, some breakfast tacos for dinner. We got up around 7 today, so we're feeling it. It's been a long, productive day. Sam's already like tuckered out. He's like, will you just make the bed now? We got it still in couch mode. He's ready for bed. Yeah? Let me make the bed. Gonna clean up this mess. Wind down for the night.